there, this is Carly from Holo Alert. Today I'm going to go over how to remove the lanyard from the MyConnect and place it into the belt clip. So all we're going to do is flip the device over, and we'll notice this little rubber T here. It easily lifts out. Okay, make sure you hold that. This allows you to press slightly down and just wiggle, and it comes right out. Now it can be placed in the belt clip. Just slide and snap. Make sure the button is on the bottom so that this clip is able to press securely into where the lanyard was. Okay, so slide, snap, and you can just lightly press on that and it comes right out. To place the lanyard back on the device, much like taking it off, we want to make sure we flip up this rubber T here, place that portion back into the device, and wiggle this rubber T back into place, and then it's secure.